How to create thumbnails in PhotoPad. Go to Menu, select Tools, and click Create Thumbnail. Choose a thumbnail type preset, then add a base image using options like a file, video frame, webcam photo, or screen capture. Enhance your design by adding text, curved text, clipart, or image overlays, and adjust their position, size, and style as needed. Set your thumbnail properties such as resolution, aspect ratio, and format. Then click Create to generate your thumbnail. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to create thumbnails in PhotoPad. The Thumbnail Creator tool in PhotoPad lets you design custom thumbnails for videos on media platforms by combining images, text, and overlays into a single layout. Go to Menu, select Tools, and click Create Thumbnail to open the Thumbnail Creator. Under Thumbnail Type, choose a preset based on the platform you're creating the thumbnail for. These presets automatically apply supported sizes for different video platforms. In Image Options, select a base image for your thumbnail. You can load an image from your local files, choose a frame from a video, capture a photo using a webcam, paste a website image link, take a screen snip, or capture a window. You can also drag and drop an image directly into the preview area. You can further enhance your thumbnail using other image options, which provide additional predefined visuals to start from. Next, use text and image overlays to add elements on top of your thumbnail. You can insert text, curved text, clip art, or additional images. These overlays can be resized, rotated, and repositioned. You can also control layering using Move to Front and Move to Back. For text overlays, adjust the font face, style, color, size, and alignment. For curved text, you can also adjust the outline thickness and color, and change the curve type for different text shapes. Before finalizing, adjust thumbnail properties such as resolution, aspect ratio, image format, and fit settings. Enable Fit to Aspect Ratio to automatically stretch the image to match the selected ratio, or disable it to crop instead. You'll also see an estimated projected size of the final output. When everything is set, click Create to generate your thumbnail. For more PhotoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.